Everybody, my name is Panda. We are here at Buffalo Wild Wings. We got our drinks. I'm gonna need it because we ordered. We ordered some like crazy thing that's not even on the menu yet. It's like some like scorpion.
Listen, it's called the scorpion sauce. I'm pretty sure it's actually hotter than the hottest pepper on earth. No. So yeah, or something
Third
like that. Third hottest. And he's like 12 or something like.
I'm 11.
You're
I'm crazy young but crazy tall.
Are you actually serious?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you're
I know, right?
What?
I'm super young.
Anyways,
The ladies love me though.
I ordered the least spicy thing on the menu.
Yep. He ordered sweet something and then he's gonna like die.
Yeah. So and we got. So I don't like spice, so I'm not gonna be doing this. But
You're not getting a shout out.
he got like
You
the
have to
spiciest
dip.
thing.
No. To get a shout out.
Not
you
even
have
on
to
the
dip
menu.
your wings.
No, I can't do it.
I'll do it.
And we got like the desert sauce, so it's gonna be crazy spicy. See you in the video.
What's up, guys? It is Puma here with Panda and Chicken. Huge shout out. You already know we were there. Anyways, we are eating blazing wings dipped in. We're jumping right into it.
This is the scorpion rum.
2, 1, go!
Yeah, go Power Rangers! Dun.
Oh god.
There. How is it?
Bad.
How is it?
Oh, it's spicy.
Okay. Is it as bad as your other pepper?
No.
No?
This is nothing.
Are you serious?
This is nothing.
You're actually serious?
Yeah.
Oh god.
I'll try another one.
Okay, I think we have a monster on our hands. Oh goodness.
Eat all of
This is
them.
gonna make a great
Okay,
video.
guys, we changed it into a speed run challenge. You have to eat all those wings in 30 seconds.
Go!
29, 28,
Eat 'em.
27,
Go.
26. Fine, you have a minute. 59,
I got flustered.
58, 57, 56,
How are you feeling?
55, 54, 53, 52. You have to do it. 51,
Oh, he's crying.
50,
He's crying.
49,
I give up.
48.
Oh, it's spicy.
47, 46. Yeah, finally, it's about time this happened. Okay.
Not habanero, but. Oh!
Are you done?
Yeah, you have to finish them. 30,
No, he doesn't.
29.
No,
Come on, do it.
You want to try one?
No.
See?
Okay, that's the end of this segment. Bye.
Oh, that's
Not for me, though. I'm still going. I'm crack-a-lacking dogs. Anyways,
Dog.
this wasn't that bad. So we're amping it up a bit in segment 2.
He's crying. Oh my god.
Oh, it's bad. It's really bad. My tongue.
Are you sure about that? Are you like actually sure about this?
Okay. Ready for segment 2?
Wait.
You guys, hallelujah. Okay.
Shit, I needed that, dude.
I'm not
Oh my freaking god!
Is this one spicy?
That's bad, isn't it?
Is this one spicy?
You tried a toothpick of it. I tried like.
Oh my
4
God.
wings.
So wish we weren't family friendly right now, or else I'd be cursing.
Yeah.
Alright, wait, here.
Since Archer's YOLO gone, King.
No, I'm doing this. Okay, I'm gonna do this.
That's
I'm
not
gonna do
so-
like a tiny bit. Like actually a tiny bit. Because I'm really bad.
Yeah.
Is it gonna hurt?
Maybe. I don't know. Try it. I had a bunch of wings, so you can handle this. I'm still crying, guys, so.
Guys, I want to do another one on
I'm gonna be running around the track after I eat this, okay?
Okay.
Okay, got it. Just come on, I'm gonna do another one than myself. Okay, I'm doing another one. You ready to see 10 and 2? Put a little less. Cause I
Do
don't
it.
Oh!
You're stupid.
Oh, that initial kick! Oh! Sorry. Don't curse, kids. Oh, I can edit that out.
No, you can't.
I know how to.
No, you don't. We should have brought more drinks.
Okay, that'll be it for this video.
Bye.
Don't do this.
Bye, guys. But Archer, we're doing this at home.
I don't care.